I'm trying something new. I saw this turkey at Walmart probably a month ago, and I bought it. It says it's in a bag, it's already ready, and then all you have to do is put it in the oven and cook it. I'm gonna try this time. I normally make my turkeys from scratch, and then I got into the smoked turkeys that Walmart used to have, and so I said this is different. Let me see what this is all about. Excuse me. It says you take this out, you leave it in the bag, in this bag here, and you put it in your pan, like so. That's what it says does. And it's got these two things right here. It says put it in there frozen. So that's why I left it frozen. It has to be frozen. I guess it makes its own juices when it's frozen. See, that's what it says right there. Now here's the part right here. Let's see now. Preheat your oven, 175. It says remove the turkey from the plastic bag and cut 2 to 4 slits off the top of the bag. Come in now. Okay. Place the frozen turkey in a pan with the printed side up. The printed side facing up. That's this. Allow room for the bag to expand without touching the oven racks or the wall. Roasting time will be about 3 to 4 hours and a half, or until it's well done, brown. Okay, without basting. So we're going to put some slits in it. That's 1 slit. How many slits it say? 2 to 4 slits. Another slit. That's it. Okay. You want the bag to expand without touching this, so I don't want to put it, I don't have a pan big enough to just sit it in, so I'm just going to put it in the oven like this. This is my first time doing it, y'all, and y'all watching it with me. Okay. Once you let it sit in there for 3 hours, you check the temperature of the inside of the bird by pushing it into the thigh and then the chest to check the temperature. And after it's done, it says you let it cool for 20 minutes. Then you prepare the gravy. This is the gravy. I was going to make my own gravy, but I'll try this. Okay. Let me set it to the side to let it thaw. Then I'll come back and let y'all see what this concoction look like. New way to cook a turkey. How about it? This is the turkey cooked in a bag. The juices is still in there. Now, the instruction says let the turkey sit for about 20 minutes. Now it is golden brown. Better let it sit because it look like I'm going to pull the skin off if I don't. Don't want to do that. Okay, that piece still laying on it. So I'm going to let it sit like it said. And that should be a done turkey. Let me let y'all see closely. Yeah. I'm going to let it sit inside the bag for a while. And I'll probably let you see it when I cut the bag. It has cooled. I'll cut the bag and reveal the turkey. The skin stuck to the bag, but this is what it looks like. There's some of the skin stuck off the leg there. Let's see if it's juicy, just to give y'all a look. Juicy turkey. This is my first time cooking it in a bag. I say if you've never cooked a turkey before, and all you have to do is stick it in the oven for 3 hours and 55 minutes or 45 minutes, that's a good deal. And it collects the juices in the bag if you like that kind of stuff to keep it warm. This is Val, but this is how you do it. First time doing a turkey in a bag. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Bye-bye now.